Hi guys, it is me, the Mint MSP, here. I am here with another video, and today I will be literally doing mostly nothing, except for logging into another account and pretending to be a noob. So, I'm gonna pretend to be a noob, and yeah, I might end the video really quickly because this app that I'm using to record, it doesn't really let me take a long video. So yeah. So I'm gonna make a account. Wait, I already have one, I think. No, I don't. Never mind. I think it was I love my dog 9 or something. So I'm just gonna pick random things so I look like a noob. Because obviously I want to be a noob. I'm gonna name it You and Me Dog Are Cool. That's noob name. Wait, hold on, look. Hold on. This is girl named Makeup Shop at mine. Makeup Shop at what I spaced it. Oh my gosh, it actually lets me. Okay, what if I go on the account and look up it, friend them, and it's oh hey, I have the same username as you. That. Yeah. And I'm gonna give out this account, and the password is just gonna be makeup, okay? It's makeup. Okay. So there's make up shop. We're gonna makeup shop. Gonna be makeup shop. Right. Makeup shop. So, oh my gosh. Make up shop at mine. Make up shop at mine. Oh my gosh, it's not even letting me. Oh, it only could be 6, huh? LOL 1 2 3. What about LOL 1 2 3? How about that? LOL 1 2 3. LOL 1 2 3. Let me in. Oh my gosh, finally it lets me in. Okay. Finally. Oh my gosh. Okay. So now all I have to do is apparently act like a noob. Come on, Pixie Star. We don't want to hear your chitty chat. We already know. You know what I'm sad about? I miss seeing the face. I miss seeing the face of Samantha. That's just sad. Okay. Now, let's go in the calf. Dragon calf. Okay, there's only... I thought it wasn't a dragon calf. Well, never mind. Okay. So now... I got my fingers bleeding. Okay. So what we do now is... Oh my gosh, I know the greatest idea. So this is what noobs usually do. I'm just acting like a noob, so don't mind. Don't mind me. All they do is just like friend guys, or just like guys friend girls, and then just ask them to be together with them. They're like, oh my gosh, I love you, I love you. Say yes. Say yes. Or I'll come to your house and murder you. Say yes. Probably having a heart attack of my beautiness. See this beauty? This beautiful woman. Look at how beautiful she is. She's like so beautiful. Oh, still waiting for an answer, huh? Why don't I ask you again? Let's just not be friends. Let's be together. Answer me. Oh my god. I'm not even gonna listen anymore. I'm so done with all this crappy stuff. Now what? I don't know what I'm gonna do about him. I'll just replace him. I'll replace him with someone else. Going Hollywood. Hey guys, I'm going to Hollywood. Isn't that cool? That's what I'd be like in school. Like, hey guys, I'm going to Hollywood. Hollywood, oh my gosh. Our teacher is so mean in school. She's like, sit down, sit down. Oh, I see somebody. I don't want your status being like, oh my god, like I'm taken. XX cool boy 87. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just no, stop me. Stop. No. Getting married tomorrow. That's not even how you spell married. You know what? I'm gonna friend him and keep asking him. That's what I'm gonna do. And then if he like does that, oh my god, I'm gonna be so happy. I'm gonna be like, oh my god, girl, oh my gosh, girl, your boyfriend just choose the girl over. Well, I don't even know how I'm saying this. I'm taking a video and it's hard to say it. Okay? It's not me. Okay, can you just accept now? Or is there something wrong? Can you accept crouching and watching this guy sleep? Creep. Oh, now he's coming up here to I'm like 15. She said, and I'm like 15. Wow, you're 15. Let's see how you write. Wow, let's just see. 18 beach. Oh, you're a beach now. I could see why. Taken auto. You mean autos? I always hated those lips for some reason. I always thought they were too big. 19 beach. I'm 21. Oh my god, girl. You are 21. You shouldn't even be playing this. I mean, you could play this. It's just like, I think she shouldn't even be playing this. I'm 21 too. Oh my god, you just said I'm trying to listen. You just said you were 19. Yay, I'm proud. Well, me too. You just said you were 19. Let's see. Now you're 21. Now you're 21. Now you're 21. I'm just saying it's racist. Wait, no, I'm not gonna say that. For some reason I spelled it. Okay, good. Thank goodness she's 19. Why is his eyes red? They're red. You vampire what? Let's go to the dragon cafe and find somebody. Okay, we're in the dragon cafe. Don't ask me for VIP. That's what people do on here to scam. Oh hey girl, you wearing some nice clothes there. You wear some nice, you have some nice lips. Wow. Very, very nice lips. There's like all girls in here. I could like buy whatever I want. Cause like, look, I got like 2 coins. That is like so awesome. Like, I'm almost gonna end this video. And, oh my god. I'm so bad at making videos. Oh my god, I forgot the friend. The girl. Okay, this is the last thing I'm doing before I end this video, guys. Cause I'm almost ending it. You know what? In my next video, I'm gonna do it. So, bye guys. See you in my next video. Hope you liked it. I don't have an intro yet, so sorry. Okay, I know. Okay, by the way, bye.